How to compress YouTube video without losing quality. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can compress the YouTube video without losing quality. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to compress the video you will have to go to the Flixer's online video compressor. So you will have to tap right here. So upload your video, open the website and upload your video. Make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, choose the desired compression settings such as resolution and compression type after uploading the video here, and then download the compressed video. Also guys, you can use the H265 format. Use the video compression tool that supports the H265 format. Import your video and choose the H265 format and adjust the compression settings such as bitrate and frame rate to achieve the desired balance between the quality and the file size. Save the compressed video. Remember that the compressing a video without losing quality is impossible, but using powerful compression tool like Handbrake or other methods can help reduce the file size while maintaining acceptable quality. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.